Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Hytale error server failed to boot. So I had this issue and the way I managed to fix this was very easy. You just go ahead and press Windows plus R on your keyboard and then you just type in sysdm.cpl. Then you click here on OK. And then all you need to do is come here, click on the Advanced tab. From here, you'll actually see environment variables, and here you'll see user variables. And part of the user variables is this one right here. You will probably get something like this, Java options. I want you to find the Java variable, and I want you to just delete that. And then you just hit OK, and then you can just go ahead and relaunch your server. It should actually work. This really worked for me, and that is how to fix Hytale error server failed to boot. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Help me out as well.